Whenever you try to use Instagram music on your reel or story, for now I'm clicking a random picture and then select the music library, and here let's search for a song, and here you can see I'm not finding the exact song I'm looking for. In that case, just close this story tab over here, go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner, go to the menu at the top right corner, and now here once you are in, scroll a bit down, and here under for professionals, click on creator tools and controls. Most people lose access to Instagram music libraries full access because they have professional account. So for that we need to change it to a personal account. Now here in this section, simply you have to scroll down and click on switch account type and click on switch to personal account. Click on switch to personal account. It will take few seconds to turn your account to personal account. Now you can go and try creating a story once again with a random photo. Go to music library, and here you can try searching for the song that you want. In most of the cases, it should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.